Here we have the 2020 GMC Sierra 1500 Denali. And this one comes with a 6.2 liter V8, made it to the 10-speed automatic transmission, 4-wheel drive. Got that dual exhaust, front and rear parking sensors. And that white frost tri-coat paint. Got your Denali Ultimate Package. So you also have the 22-inch wheels and power running boards, along with your sunroof. There's that signature Denali grille. Check out those running boards. Got your spray-on bed liner. Passive keyless entry. Got power windows, power door locks, memory seating. There are your folding mirrors as well. Bose sound system. 4-wheel drive and driving mode controls along with your headlight controls. Heads-up display controls. Heated leather-wrapped steering wheel. Let's check out the back seat room. Of course, ample seating in the back seat. The seats are heated. And there's your power heating cooled passenger seat. And then we're gonna check out the driver features. There's your navigation. It's your backup camera. And there's your 360 surround vision camera. Your rear camera mirror. You've got your dual zone climate control, lane keep assist, parking sensors, auto stop, power folding up down tailgate. And you can control some other features here, including your power running boards. Got your trailer brake controller, household plug-in, wireless charging. There's your power sunroof. And a few other views you have from the backup camera. You've got your view of the bed, your view from the tow hitch, and then you've also got a bird's eye view of the trailer to watch any swaying that might be going on. And then you've got your side view cameras. And next we're going to go on a test drive of the 2020 GMC Sierra 1500 with the 6.2 liter V8. Very crisp shift so far. And of course with the 6.2 liter V8, it's got very, very good acceleration. Not really opening her up yet, but still very, very powerful. Here we go. I'm gonna open her up right here. Getting on the interstate. Wow. quick, quick, quick. And I can feel the suspension dampening. It's doing a very good job at keeping the ride comfortable. I've got lane keep assist on and adaptive cruise on. And all in all, a pretty controlled ride. Cabin noise is very, very controlled, which I like. And the ride is just a tad bit rough on these 22s. But the ride control does a good job of not making it crazy, if that makes sense. I can still feel that I'm on 22s, but it's not harsh at all. Here we go in manual mode. Shifts are responsive. Yeah, this engine is just powerful, of course. It's a 6.2 liter putting out 420, so that's to be expected. And all in all, very quiet in the cabin when the throttle's not opened up. And of course, with most of your 6.2 liters, you've got that engine feedback and that exhaust, and it just sounds so good. But as I'm coasting down this back road, pretty quiet in here. I'm gonna put on the adaptive cruise. And there it is braking for me to keep me away from the van in front of me. I'm gonna pick it up a bit. And the truck does a good job at accelerating. It's not harsh, it didn't have to shift gears, it just picks up. I'm gonna adjust my gap adjust, see if it'll catch up. There it is, speeding up to get me closer. And there it is, braking. Yeah, I just can't say enough about how quiet it is in here. I can hear the wind blowing, but I can also hear where it's being dampened by the cabin. Well, that's my road test of the 2020 GMC Sierra 1500 Denali.